Okay, Float Shoes Migee.
Are we shooting?
We're shooting.
Welcome to my nature show. My name's John Michael, and we're in Little Neck Bay, right by the bridge. And we're gonna do a little fishing today. So what I've done is I found a stick and a piece of string, and I'm gonna fashion a fishing rod. Bear with me. I'm a little nervous. It's my first time on TV. So I'm going to tie this knot that I learned from Boy Scouts. And it's pretty much just a simple knot. And we're almost there. There we go. It's really just a double knot, because that's the only knot I know how to do. And I'm just going to go all the way out there. Because that's where all these little fish are. They're really just right here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I think I got something. All right. No, you don't. It's full of fish right there. They saw me pointing. My shadow actually scares them, which is understandable. I think the water might be rising, but it's okay because I have my float shoes on. Float shoes Migee is what they call me. And yeah, I think it's actually, I'm not wearing socks, and it's kind of going in. So I'm just gonna reel this in. Put down, you always safety first. You put down your rod and string, and you kind of just, you want to just jerk it back in there, and take your rod, and then kind of just climb back up these boulders without falling. Yeah, we're good. All right. So then we're gonna just take our seat right here and wait for the tide to come in. That was a great show, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.
Float Shoes Migee out.